Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to make real money online using a simple tool called shrinkme.io. If you have got internet access and just a little bit of time, you can start earning today. No investment needed. So what exactly is Shrinkme? It's a URL shortener that pays you whenever someone clicks your link. You take a normal link, shrink it using shrinkme.io, and when someone clicks it, they will see a short ad before they get redirected to the real page, and you will get paid for every click. To get started, head over to shrinkme.io and click register. From here, enter your username like that, your email, then enter a strong password, then click I am not a robot, then select car and verify and click I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, then click register. Once you are in, you will see your dashboard with all your status or your all your stats like total views, earnings, and CRM. Now let's find a link to shrink. It can be anything people want to click on. Viral YouTube videos, free courses, downloadable PDF, meme page, workout plans, or even trending news articles. For example, go to youtube.com and find a viral video like this. Copy the link and go back to shrinkme.io and paste into the box at top. Then click shorten. Boom. You have got a new shortened link ready to earn. Now that you have a shortened link, let's talk about how to get clicks, because that's how you make money. Facebook groups. Join Facebook groups around your topic and share valuable posts with your Shrinkme link. Add value first, don't spam. Quora, answer questions and include your link as part of a helpful answer. YouTube comments, drop your link in the comments under popular videos. Reddit, be helpful in niche subreddits and include your link naturally. Your earnings depend on where your traffic comes from. Shrinkme pays differently By country, for example, US traffic might earn you $22 per 100 views. UK or Canada might give you $15 plus. Target high paying countries if you can, especially through YouTube, Reddit, or Pinterest traffic. When you hit the minimum payout, usually $5, you can withdraw money and Shrinkme supports like PayPal, Bitcoin, Payoneer, bank transfer. Withdrawal usually takes 1 to 3 business days. And that's how you make money using shrinkme.io. Super simple, totally beginner friendly, and 100% free. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how much you have made so far. Thanks for watching.